Hey everybody, Sylvie K here, and today I'm going to be making pasta Puttanesca. And there are a lot of explanations on how the name came about and why it came about, but actually Puttanesca pretty much translates to woman of the evening. And anyway, I'm going to start off by cooking some penne pasta, and as soon as that's done, I'm going to start my sauce. Okay, for the sauce for my puttanesca, I'm going to put in some olive oil, and I have about 2 large cloves of garlic sliced up and 1 red hot pepper. And to that I'm going to add 5 anchovies that were in oil to this. Mind you, I've never eaten an anchovy in my life. And now I'm going to add 2 of my home canned tomatoes. Now I'm going to add some capers and some black and green olives. Talk about sensitive. Now to this I'm going to add some chopped parsley. And so there you have a simple dish of pasta Puttanesca. And I'm not sure if it smells that much like a lady of the evening of that time in Roman era or not, but they actually say that the name came about after World War II. So anyway, do your own research on where the name came about, but it's a really easy, simple, delicious dish. So I hope somebody makes it and enjoys it. Meantime, I hope everybody's well. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.